round of pest control team. We got Dreadnought cocoons on our scanners, and you get to eradicate them before they turn into something even worse. My advice, bring plenty of ammo. They can take a punch.
I found a gold vein. Go! No!
Donkey, come
Whack-a-mole!
here!
I'm afraid of flying interplanetary goat! Why are you shooting at me?
I'm full! Where's Molly? Pow! I want to
Found
punch the
some
guy in
nitro.
R&D who programmed Molly.
Mark! Mark something!
Come here. Look over here!
Whack-a-mole! Let's show them some pain!
Marker up! Attention! Over here! Everyone, can I get some attention? Look there!
Bam! I know the way!
Gotta go fast! What's this? Sentry gun assembly. Lights up! Sentry done! Go get him, boy! Dreadnought Cocoon here. I wonder what's inside this time. With me!
Destroy the Spitfire!
Like that!
It's a Spitfire!
You want some more?
He's dead!
Lighting! Locked and loaded. One sentry gun ready to begin. Sentry off. Platform space.
Zip line.
Access provided. One platform ready to do. Open!
Cocoon here!
I call
Rock and stone to the bone!
platform create.
Don't bother shooting the hive guard before it heals! Don't shoot the heavy armor! Just aim for the kill when you see them! Kill the sentinel! Dreadnought Hive Guard! in stone.
I was born ready.
Where is that damn ticket? I'm wondering if fighting bugs and moving dirt is the best way to make a living.
You're cute, but you're dead. I need the mule right here, right now. Hello? Platforms, please.
Don't waste your ammunition!
Locked and loaded. Look!
Shoot to kill! Gonna kill you all!
Watch your fire, moron!
I'm here, you beardless blunderer!
Ready to move. Born ready.
Go Crusher!
I ordered a resupply.
Stand back. Supply pod inbound.
Get line ready! Ooh. Shoot it in the ass! Look what I found! It's Clifford Dreadnought!
Lights up! Cold as ice. Dreadnought! Better than fire. Lighting up! You fuck that. I was born ready.
Roll is on way. Help!
Clifford Dreadnought!
Shield charged and ready.
Somebody help! Let's get together for power. Dreadnought!
I know you one, brother.
Clifford Dreadnought! Find its weak point!
Grenade! Explosive vibes!
Clifford Dreadnought! Ready to lightning!
Shield up!
Nitro's been withdrawn and supply pod is inbound.
Booyah! Let there be light! It's Clifford Dreadnought! I know the way! Ludicrous speed! One down! Dreadnought!
Dreadnought!
Hello! Grabbing ammo. Red Stop shooting, you pointing Clifford Dreadnought! Locked and loaded. Clifford Dreadnought!
Thanks. Attention! It's Clifford Dreadnought!
Getting supply! It's finally dead!
Here, get into cover. Taking some of the ammo. I needed that. Really much better. Say your lights on!
Nitra! Molly is on the way. That guy in mission control, he really has a cozy job. Weapon ready.
We need the malt stall. Shield charged.
I was made for mining. Molly was meant for hauling what I mine.
You carry a load well, Molly.
Over here by the marker point. Be gone!
Red sugar will make you feel better.
Never felt better. I love this grappling hook. Hey!
Move out! Hello? Eat it! Come here! Hey!
Bard! See here.
Baby!
Shoot them! On me!
I'm not scared of you!
One sentry gun ready to be built. Armed and ready.
There is nitro over here!
Hang in there. Supplies are on the way.
Bloom here. Anyone needs ammo? There's nitro here.
Time to restock. Lighting up!
There's a dreadnought cocoon here. Now, which monstrosity is hiding inside this? Provided.
Platform! One platform ready to use. Platform!
Guys, are you blind? Look over here.
Platform!
We fight for rock and stone.
Platforms, place. Access provided. Getting more ammo.
Ready to kill some more crates.
This has no value.
Ready to kill some more crates.
Weapon ready. Rock on! Let there be rock!
Supplies are on the way. Supply pod requisitioned. Launching now.
We can shoot these in the face! Die!
Watch out! This one likes to get up close and personal.
Flares up! Getting more ammo! Horn ready! Keep your distance! The lacerator is extremely hit! March, wife! Stick around! Dreadnought lacerator! I'm taking some of the ammo.
Be gone!
Friendly fire! Dreadnought! Ominous Dreadnought!
Dreadnought's wiped out, for now. Good work, team. Hit the return button on the mule when you're ready, and we'll pick you up.
Grabbing ammo. Getting supplies. Red sugar. Shield recharged.
Well done. Secondary objective completed.
Pause it.
Getting more ammo!
Keep it together. Drop pod is en route.
Grabbing ammo. Marker up! Platform up!
Drop pod has arrived. Retrieving the mule.
It's heading for the drop pod.
Drop pod departing in T-minus 5 minutes.
Guys, are you blind? Look over here!
Fall back to the drop pod. Think you could kill me? Well, think again.
Die, free!
Bam!
Drop pod departing in T-minus 4 minutes.
Last walk in the pod phase is the first round. Mark! Everyone, I'll get some attention.
The mule is secured. Initiating launch sequence. Deep Rock Galactic thanks you for your good work. Drop pod will leave with or without you.
Rock and stone in the heart. Come on, guys. Rock and stone.
Did I hear a rocket?
Extraction commencing. Good work.
Rocket go!
We fight rock and roll and stone.